Hey guys, Reuben here. This is part 2 on packing tips for you international students should know when moving to Sweden. If you haven't watched the first part, head over the description down below to find the link or click the link above this video. This video will cover everything about what to pack for the Swedish weather. Living for a year in Sweden, I have experienced how the weather can be unpredictable at times, so it is important to be prepared. In general, winter and summer temperature differences in Sweden are quite extreme. Above the Arctic Circle, winter is severe with temperatures going below -30 degrees Celsius. In contrast, summer temperatures here and in the rest of the country would regularly hit +20 degrees Celsius. In the south, winter is generally mild with an average temperature above 0 degrees Celsius. Having said that, here are some of my packing tips to suit up for the Swedish weather. In Sweden, they have a saying, det finns inget dåligt väder, bara dåliga kläder, meaning there is no bad weather, there are only bad clothes. Investing in a nice warm coat is a must because you almost use it in fall, winter, and spring. Any time of the year, you can also expect rain, so you can pack a light raincoat for summer and a warmer, waterproof, and windproof coat during the winter. You don't want to miss the Swedish landscape during the winter, so make sure to pack clothes meant for outdoor activities and days spent walking in the parks or around your city. You should pack a coat, woolen sweaters, and other warm items you can layer like scarves and vest tops. Other things that you can bring are thermal legwear and underwear to layer under your jeans. You can also pack good quality warm socks, gloves, and wool hat. It can also be very dry and dark during the winter, so pack some moisturizers and vitamin D. Well, this is optional because you can find them easily in drugstores here in Sweden. One thing that I also observed after months of darkness during the winter, your eyes can somehow need to adjust to more sunlight as spring and summer approach. So make sure to pack a pair of sunglasses and your favorite sunscreen. As I mentioned earlier, Sweden is not always cold, so summer days in Sweden can be warm around 27 degrees Celsius or a bit chilly around 14 degrees Celsius, and it can also rain, so it is always nice to have appropriate clothes during this time. They are also blessed with incredible lakes and beaches, so don't forget to pack your favorite swimwear or whatever it is you usually like to swim with. Do you have any packing tips that I missed and worth mentioning? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's it for the second part of this video. Make sure to head out to the first part linked to this video, and if you like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that red button down below and join our notification squad by clicking that bell button as well. Hej då!